traffic together. Pete Mangione is in the house with the details of a cool start, but a nice finish to the day, right?
Absolutely, Danielle. A lot of sunshine out there, especially by the time we get into the afternoon. A little bit of a cool start right now. We have some spots that are a degree or two just above freezing, if you could believe that. And on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, no precipitation to see here, so we move on to something a little more interesting here. This is the WPRI camera from Kingston, Rhode Island. You can see the sun coming up, blue skies. There's some sunlight reflecting off the trees. And here's a view from Newport Harbor, a chilly view of Newport Harbor, 42 degrees right now. Not a bad afternoon, though, to maybe go out on the boat, do a little sailing. A nice little breeze will develop from the east and then southeast into the afternoon. One more view here. This is from Block Island. Gorgeous this morning with the sun coming up and just a few clouds overhead. Capital City right now, low 40s. Winds are out of the north at 6 miles an hour. And the wind will not be nearly the factor that it was for the forecast yesterday when we had those winds gusting 20, 30 miles an hour, making wind chills in the 40s. Today, much more pleasant. One of the reasons is that high pressure in control. That will keep the moisture and the clouds away for at least today. But another thing that will happen is when we have a weak center of high pressure in control, often we do get those sea breezes developing into the afternoon. And in just a second, I will show you what that's going to do to our temperatures for today. There will be a bit of a difference between inland temperatures and coastal temperatures. First, though, let's talk precipitation. 8 o'clock this morning, no precipitation to worry about. In fact, as we go through the entire day, we don't have rain to worry about. It's tomorrow where the rain showers come in. Now, notice I'm stopping this at 2 o'clock this afternoon. More than likely, our viewing area is still dry by this point. But by the time we go into the late afternoon and evening, look for some of these showers to spread across the area. Most of the showers will be late to moderate, so it's possible we have a wet Friday evening commute, but the morning commute will be rain-free. Now let's talk about those temperatures. Let's go into the noon hour, shall we? And you can see low 60s pretty much across the board. 61 Providence. Westerly, you're not too far behind at 58 and 59 in New Bedford. But then those breezes get going first out of the east and then the southeast. And notice how that cools off the temperatures into the mid-50s across much of the coast by the afternoon. In fact, that graphic went by a little too quickly. But I will just tell you, places like Newport into the afternoon, expect those temperatures to be in the mid-50s, maybe even some low 50s out there as the water temperature is still pretty cool for this time of year. Inland forecast will be warmer than that, 66 by around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. By 5 p.m. we are at 62 degrees. And in our 7-day Futurecast, notice slowly but surely we try to bring in some warm temperatures, but it does take a while. For tomorrow, again, those afternoon and evening showers will allow the temperatures to get a few degrees warmer than today. On Saturday, I'm expecting a few showers possible during the morning and then a drier afternoon with partly sunny conditions, highs in the upper 60s, and then some 70s for Sunday, 71 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds. It looks like the warmest of the next 7 days would be on Monday, mid to upper 70s with mostly sunny skies. We do bring in the chance of some showers Tuesday into Wednesday. At this point, it looks like a few of these showers could be heavy, even with the potential of some thunderstorms, but that is still 6 to 7 days away, so we won't worry about that too much just yet. But in the meantime, do look for temperatures to recover into the afternoon. After being in the 30s right now, we'll make the mid-60s later on today. You can always get more details with Tony tonight. He's in starting live.